Good day, I am Lizelle Fajardo, and today I will be reporting to you about episode 61 to 64 of Maria Clara at Ibarra. For episode 61 of Maria Clara at Ibarra, it focuses on a heartfelt moment between Crisostomo Ibarra and Maria Clara, as they reaffirm their love and commitment to one another despite the trials surrounding them. This emotional exchange highlights not only the depth of their bond, but also their shared hope for a better future. Ibarra expresses his growing optimism and outlines his plans to reform the country through education and progress, believing that enlightenment can lead to social change. However, the episode subtly hints that Ibarra's rising influence is beginning to draw the attention of powerful figures who may see his ideas as a threat to the status quo. While the tone remains hopeful, the undercurrent of potential conflict begins to take shape. Adding to the tension is Padre Salvi, who continues to manipulate events from behind the scenes. While pretending to support Ibarra publicly, he secretly works to sabotage him, revealing his cunning and deceitful nature. The episode emphasizes the emotional stakes for the characters, particularly the fragile yet sincere relationship between Ibarra and Maria Clara. Their connection provides a sense of comfort and strength, but it's clear that external forces are closing in. As hope and love blossom, the seeds of future turmoil are sown, creating a delicate balance between personal desire and the political realities looming ahead. In episode 62, entitled Revelation, it is a dramatic and emotional plot twist for Maria Clara upon learning that Padre Damaso is her biological father. This discovery ruins her concept of her existence, family, and childhood, throwing her into emotional disarray. Betrayed, she confronts Padre Damaso with a combination of anger and hurt, seeking explanation for the years of deception and falsehood. Ibarra remains with her, giving her unflinching support and solace while she is having her emotional breakdown, again demonstrating his devotion and true loyalty to her. Padre Damaso, meanwhile, is cornered and responds with a conflicted mix of guilt and condescension, attempting to rationalize his actions by saying he had acted out of protective instincts. The episode also adds a new level of suspense as it is now insinuated that Padre Salvi could have been the one to leak the secret, showing his ulterior motives and deep interest in Maria Clara. This twist deepens the drama and questions manipulation, power, and control. The episode is a turning point for Maria Clara, challenging her to face uncomfortable truths and laying the groundwork for subsequent emotional and personal turmoil. In episode 63, entitled Amani Clarita, Maria Clara struggles with the shattering discovery that Padre Damaso is her biological father. This reality destroys her understanding of her identity and family, sending her into an existential emotional crisis. Betrayed and confused, she faces Padre Damaso, articulating her sorrow and disillusionment. The confrontation is heated, with Maria Clara challenging the morality and motives involved in the long secret. Padre Damaso, torn between guilt and rationalization, tries to justify his action, but words fail to ease Maria Clara's hurt. This scene probes deeply into ideas of identity, betrayal, and the intricacies of family relationships. At the same time, Crisostomo Ibarra pursues his attempt to gain the permission to marry Maria Clara. Maria Clara, who is weighed down by the revelation and her subsequent emotional distress, however, starts to doubt whether she is deserving of the love of Ibarra. She feels soiled by the scandal that has besmirched her parentage and fears that this could taint their relationship. This internal struggle creates yet another layer of complexity in her character, reflecting her conflict between her personal needs and the demands of society. The episode pathetically illustrates Maria Clara's transition from heartbreak to self doubt to finding inner peace amidst the chaos. Episode 64 changes the focus of the story to increasing political unrest and impending peril. Elias goes to see Crisostomo Ibarra and warns him of the hazards of revolting against the set colonial scheme. Elias recounts his own bitter experiences of injustice and tyranny and encourages Ibarra to be more careful and practical regarding the threats of the ruling class. Although Elias believes in Ibarra's vision for reform, he addresses the stark reality that peaceful measures may not succeed under a system based on corrupt and exploitation. This exchange is a somber wake-up call for Ibarra. Yet he is convinced that change comes through education and legal means and not through violence. A dramatic showdown is meanwhile brewing between Padre Damaso and Padre Salvi. Damaso accuses Salvi of revealing to Maria Clara the truth about her parentage, leading to a tense and fiery exchange. The argument exposes the deepening rift within the clergy and reveals Salvi's growing manipulative influence. At the same time, Maria Clara continues to struggle emotionally, still reeling from the shocking truths she has learned. As the episode progresses, it becomes evident that tensions, such as political, emotional, and spiritual, are reaching their peak. The episode culminates with a somber mood, such that it appears the characters are now on the brink of significant personal and social transformation.